Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AmEx app and stop card transaction text step by step clearly. To uninstall the American Express app, begin by locating the app on your device. On an iPhone, press and hold the AmEx app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the menu options. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. On an Android device, press and hold the AmEx app icon until you see options appear. Drag the icon to the Uninstall option at the top of the screen. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK or Uninstall, depending on your device. Next, to stop receiving card transaction texts, open the messaging app on your phone. Locate a recent text message from American Express. Open the message and scroll to the bottom for opt-out instructions. Alternatively, you can call the customer service number on the back of your card. Request to opt out of transaction alerts during your call. You may also log in to your American Express online account. Navigate to the notification settings in your account preferences. Look for text alert preferences and adjust accordingly. Once you've completed these steps, you're now uninstalled from the AmEx app. You have also successfully stopped receiving transaction text alerts. Double-check your messaging app to ensure no new transaction texts are received. Enjoy a streamlined experience without unnecessary notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.